Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the review and swatches of the Holo Hookup box for the month of October. This month's theme is things that go bump in the night and the guest brand is Emily de Molly. The box will be available to pre-order between September 21st and September 28th. All this info with the links are in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. And now without any further ado, let's get started. The first one I'm gonna swatch is called Goosebumps by Cupcake Polish. It's a black linear holographic polish with a flash of green shimmer. This one is very pigmented and it's almost a one coater. So here goes my first coat, and as you guys can see, it covers up so beautifully. If you have short nails, you don't need a second coat, but I applied a second coat just to get a little bit of cover up my bald spots. So here is the final look after top coat and cleanup. And I also did a little bit of Halloween inspired nail art over this beautiful polish. Moving on to the next one, this is from Different Dimensions and it's called Sleep with One Eye Open. It's a very bright blurple linear holographic polish and it's very pigmented. It actually stained my silicone mat and I was really scared to put it on my nails. So here goes my first coat. Luckily it didn't stain my nails, but it is very pigmented. So this is my second and final coat. And here it is after top coat and cleanup. And this is how it looks with a little bit of Halloween inspired nail art. The next one is by Glisten and Glow. This is called Monsters Under My Bead and it's a very bright orange holographic polish loaded with gold to green shimmers. This one is a little bit on the sheer side, so it took me 3 coats to get full coverage. And this is my first coat. Here goes my second coat. This is my third and final coat. It's a very juicy orange and it looks so beautiful. So it's this is the final look after top coat and cleanup. And here is a look with a little bit of nail art. Now coming up to the guest maker, this is called The Last Stand by Emily de Molly and it's a very bright grass green holo with golden shimmer. The shimmer is really very beautiful on this. So here goes my first coat. And this is my second and final coat. Here is a look after top coat and cleanup. And this is how it looks with a Frankenstein nail art. I couldn't think of anything better to do over this green color. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to check my other tutorials, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.